Today's wine text is the 2016 Cartograph Pinot Noir from Choate Vineyards in California, specifically Russian River Valley. So Sonoma, when you break it down to the different appellations, I think Russian River Valley is easily the most notable and one of the most popular appellations within the region. That being that we think of a lot of Chardonnays coming from there, but other Burgundian grape as well. Pinot Noir grows there very, very well. So this is a passion project between two people, one that formerly from the healthcare services, the other one was a radio personality that made kind of their own wine within one entity in San Francisco, just for fun. Turned into a major passion. They got together, went out to Northern California and started producing really small production wines. So the Choate Vineyard is dead in the middle of the Russian River Valley, lots of sunlight, lots of ripeness, but definitely a cooler place at night, which makes the wines super balanced and elegant. I think the acidity level is very high on this wine, so I expect it to have a lot of fruit, but very easy drinking and extremely balanced. Definitely an approachable wine in its youth. I think you could open it now and be happy with it. But I would also say it would probably get better after a couple years in the cellar. I think 3, 4, maybe even 5 years of age will do this wine really well. Really good stuff. Like I said, really approachable, crowd-pleasing style Pinot Noir. Something that you guys will really like from a single vineyard in California.